Let's take a look at how you can find the different note names on a keyboard. So we're talking about the white keys on any keyboard or piano. We want to be able to identify which note is which note name. So A, B, C, D, E, F, or G. So today we're going to take a look at 3 different methods that you can use and memorize to find those notes on the keyboard. Our first method is a simple memorization method. If you can remember the saying, 2 between is D. That's all you need to know. So what that's saying is groups of 2 black keys. You can see 2s, and then you can also see 3s, right? But this one refers to the 2s. So 2 between is D. So that note that falls in between the 2 black keys is the letter D. All right, so it works for any of them. This is a group of 2, this is a group of 2. 2 between is D. All right, so that's our first one, 2 between is D. And the next one is called 2s and 3s. So you have the group of 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2 black keys, 3 black keys. They keep repeating up and down the keyboard in that order. But the 2s and 3s method is just showing you how to find 2 different notes. So the first one is C, so you go to the left of the 2 black keys, and that's C. The next one is the group of 3. To the left of it is F. So 2 is C, 3 is F. It works all the way up the keyboard. 2 is C, and 3 is F. All right, so our last one comes with a little story. So imagine with me you're going on a trip to Grandma's house. Okay, so we talked about the 2s and 3s up and down the keyboard. So the group of 3, now imagine, is Grandma's house. So this is Grandma's house, and outside Grandma's house is a dog house. Okay, that's a smaller one. That's the group of 2. So at Grandma's house, that's what you need to know before we get going. So you arrive at Grandma's house, you knock on the front door. That's F. You see Grandma, G. She's made you an apple pie. That's an A. You go out the back door, B, and you see the cat hanging outside the dog house, D, and the dog has a pet elephant. There you go. And then from there it just repeats. So you have letter F, right? The last one up here was E. And the next one is F again, so they just keep repeating up and down the keyboard. So to do that one quickly again, you arrive at Grandma's house, you knock on the front door, you see Grandma, she's made you an apple pie, you go out the back door, and you see the cat hanging outside the dog house, and the dog has a pet elephant. Any of these 3 methods work. As long as you can find one note on the keyboard, you can use the musical alphabet in order, A through G, and then repeat to find any other note. So as long as you can find one, you can find them all.